As we do with everything, we start with signing into your 𝗙𝗻 account. Hopefully you have one. Once you've done that, it will come to your main screen. And as you can see on the side here that we do have it up and running. Once you're in, this is where we'll start with more actions. And the first one listed is your carryover production. Click on that and we'll move forward. Once in, you'll see what crops it already has loaded, the crops that you seeded this year. So those are the ones that are most important, but we do want to let you know that if you have any other crops, even though you didn't seed them this year on farm storage, we want you to list them as well for future reference for any situations. So how simple is this? Well, obviously you can see the crops now. And we'll just say, let's say you have 1,000 bushels of red spring wheat. You'll go down to the red spring wheat, which is the first one. Click the update. And then you have an option of on-farm or off-farm storage. So this one would be 1,000 bushels on-farm. And make sure you do the bushels, if that's what it is, or if you're in tons, that's great as well. And it's already loaded. Now, if you don't have any oats, the easiest thing to do is just to hit the 0 carryover, and that is automatically loaded. Now, if you had 5,000 bushels of canola, you would go into the canola, hit update as well. 5,000 bushels on farm, save, and that's as simple as it is. Now, the one thing that we want to make sure you understand is if you do have some grain that is in storage at an elevator or a marketing house of any situation, and you do have some at home, this is the only one where we'd have to change it. So we had 1,000 bushels of red spring wheat that was on farm. Now, if you do have 1,000 bushels at an elevator on a basis contract or something, we would actually get you to key the add an additional crop because you can't make it all on the same one. Put red spring wheat in, say okay. And then you'll go to the off-farm storage, put 1,000 bushels down, click save, and now it'll load and show you that you do have 2 different entries. And that's the only thing different that you need to know is that we have some of each crop, either on-farm and on-farm. You'll have to do the additional crop. One thing I'd like to let everyone know is that we do see a lot of people trying to put in their stored bales of straw and other commodities. We don't need that, but any grains that are on farm, we definitely want you to do. The last and simplest part is we don't have to click a submit button. As soon as this is entered, it's automatically saved. So from this point on, you're considered done. You can log off and go and do whatever you want. Obviously, the deadline is August 15th, but if you forget it or miss it, you may be able to go in and do it. If not, just call your local MASC office and let them know. As long as you haven't harvested any grain, we'll try to do our best to help you out. Thanks and have a great summer, and hopefully the harvest is free of frost and comes quicker than later.